some agencies saying that therefore pro-farmers are telling that there's been no inside trading in Amaravati, which is being funded by the ex-CM Chandrababu Naidu. See, this government has clearly, that we have gone with a cabinet subcommittee where we have looked into each and every detail of Amaravati land issues, and where we could find out that where big chunks of land being bought by some of the party leaders of the TDP, and there was a very massive trading being done. After we finding the reports itself, we have finalized the report and we have submitted it. We are clearly, after that itself, we have gone for a probe. And this Chandrababu Naidu has nothing left in this state, because our Chief Minister, who is going in a very big massive welfare program in the development of the state, he has clearly nothing in the state, where he has lost a very massive defeat in the last election, and he is going to face another election with a very big, and his party is going to wiped out. So he has no issues in the state to be addressed, because he is raising this issue, creating some ruckus which he is being funded by him, and raising some farmers. And you can see that farmers who are protesting in Amaravati are only very few farmers who have been a part of TDP's agenda, and there are people coming from all over the district and various parts of the district and coming and protesting that. We are clearly seeing it. But the good farmers, of the genuine farmers from Amaravati, are clearly happy of the CM's decision, and they are happy with the CM decisions, where he's getting all the incentives which has been which has to be provided by the last government. He have ensured that the yearly pension, whatever it is, has been extended for more than 5 years. And Chandrababu Naidu has nothing left. He has only just is raising this issue so to sustain his party and sustain his people. He doesn't have any other issues, so he's just funding this Amaravati farmers, so that because their major chunk of land investment from TDP party and various leaders, I know they are kept here in Amaravati, and because they are going to be squashed out. So this is the only issue. But TDP party, Chandrababu Naidu is going to be wiped off in the next election. I don't think so. There's no any other opposition left for our Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy. There's no opposition for ISR party, and people are aware of it, that Chandrababu Naidu, whatever gimmicks, whatever tricks he does, the cheapest tricks, whatever he can do, he is the most, everyone knows him about the fraudster or the cheap tricks he can play. But this time people are not ready to get fooled by his cheapest tricks, and they have their trust and faith in our Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy.